Drone aerial mapping refers to the use of drones equipped with cameras or other sensors to capture a collection of overlapping images from different angles and altitudes. These images are then stitched together using photogrammetry software to create topographical maps, meshes, and lifelike 2D and 3D digital models. This application is revolutionizing the way industries enhance safety, become more precise, and reduce the operating costs of their businesses. And I'll be honest and admit that I hadn't heard of this term until late last year. However, industries utilizing drones for tasks like aerial surveying, infrastructure inspection, and precision agriculture are benefiting from cost savings, increased efficiency, and enhanced safety measures. Aerial mapping stands out as one of the most significant segments of the drone industry, valued at an impressive $10 billion globally in 2023. So let's dive in to find out more about aerial mapping and if it seems like a compelling field for you to get involved with. First up, let's explain a little more about what photogrammetry is. On a regular flight, it leverages aerial imagery captured by drones to meticulously craft detailed and precise 2D maps and 3D models of physical landscapes and structures. Simply put, photogrammetry is the act of obtaining precise measurements from photographs. Aerial photogrammetry predates the utilization of drones for this purpose. However, drones have revolutionized the process, making it swifter and more cost-effective. This advancement has democratized access to photogrammetry, rendering it financially feasible for a broader spectrum of individuals and organizations. As drone photogrammetry has gained popularity, additional technological advancements have emerged to support its practice. Currently, nearly anyone can acquire the foundational skills necessary to execute photogrammetry-driven 3D mapping using a quality consumer-grade drone and appropriate software solutions. Some drone models to look into are the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise, the Parrot Anafi, the Autel Evo 2, and the DJI Matrix 300 RTK. After taking the images, you compile them into software that identifies common points called tie points in the overlapping sections of each image. By analyzing the slight differences in these tie points positions from one photo to the next, the software can deduce the depth or elevation of those points. Essentially, it triangulates the 3D position of each tie point using its 2D positions based on multiple photos. The result is a dense point cloud that represents the area covered in the photos rendered in 3 dimensions. One of the main highlights of this space is the endless list of industries it can be used in. Some of the top areas are agriculture and farming, construction, real estate, mining, environmental monitoring and conservation, and disaster response and management. When pitching to these industries, there are numerous benefits that photogrammetry provides over traditional methods. There is an increasing demand for accurate and up-to-date geospatial data across various industries and applications, including agriculture, construction, infrastructure, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. Aerial drone mapping provides a cost-effective and efficient solution to meet this demand, driving opportunities for businesses and professionals in the field. Drone technology has advanced significantly in recent years, with improvements in flight stability, sensor capabilities, data processing software, and automation features. These advancements make drones more accessible, reliable, and capable of capturing high-quality aerial imagery, opening up new possibilities for mapping and analysis. Compared to traditional aerial surveying methods using manned aircraft or satellite imagery, drone mapping offers a more cost-effective option, particularly for small to medium-sized projects. Drones have lower operational costs, faster deployment times, and can cover smaller areas with higher resolution, making them suitable for a wide range of applications and budgets. Drones provide greater flexibility and accessibility for conducting aerial surveys and mapping in diverse environments and terrain types. They can access hard-to-reach or hazardous areas, adapt to changing weather conditions, and easily navigate urban or remote landscapes. This flexibility enables more comprehensive and timely data collection, leading to better informed decision-making. Overall, getting into aerial drone mapping now offers a unique opportunity to leverage advancements in technology, meet growing market demand, and capitalize on entrepreneurial possibilities. If drone photogrammetry sounds interesting to you, we have recently launched Drone Mapping Essentials. Guided by industry veteran Dylan Gorman, you'll acquire the expertise and proficiency required to excel in intricate aerial mapping endeavors and capitalize on opportunities in this fast-growing segment of the drone industry. If you want hands-on training, we are also offering 2-day live workshops from multiple locations. You'll receive expert instruction, aerial mapping frameworks, and be able to network with peers. Plus, you'll receive the online drone mapping course for free. If any of these options sound intriguing, you can check them out in the first link below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. I'd also love to know in the comments if you've ever heard of drone photogrammetry. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.